Well, I have a bottle opener here which has fallen apart, and a little spring dropped out of it, and I've been trying to figure out how it goes back together again. So anyway, I've been messing about with it for ages, poking this in different places, and I just couldn't get it right. And then I just noticed that there's a little scrape there, and that made me realize that it's probably this thing which is scraping on it. So I get the spring, and let's get the little pin, and put this back together. So I have to make sure that the holes line up. Oops. Push that back in there. Press it into place, and there, that spring holds the screw in place. So that's one part of it, and I took this out in my experiments to try and get it back together again, but I didn't need to, so let me put this back. Does it go that way around? I'm not sure. Oh no, I think it's the other way around. So let's just yank that off again, and this would go there. I don't know if it's supposed to have that on one of those on both sides, but I wasn't aware of the other one. So anyway, that seems to be it. I was looking online for a solution to where this little spring fits. I couldn't find anything, so I hope it's filled the gap for anyone else who has got one of these waiter's corkscrews and doesn't know how it goes back together again. Anyway, it's complete now, so good luck with your own project. It's very simple in the end. I mean, it's a little bit loose, but I mean, this is quite old anyway. So, all right. Well, thanks for watching.